If you've been on the internet recently, then you must have heard this beautiful Maithili song.
जैन तो पिया है तजोगिया जा हम जैन तो पिया है तजोगिया पिया के रेख तो अचरा लगा मोर पिया के देख लबे कला भेला जियारा
It carries the feeling of longing and emotional ache. But Maithili poetry has been expressing these emotions for centuries. Listen to this beautiful, timeless composition by Vidyapati ji, a song where love never feels complete, no matter how deeply it